Using your new O3Waterworks laundry machine is super easy. First, set your washing machine to cold. That's a lot of money right there. Second, forget about adding detergent, and that's a few $100s right there, and hit start. That's it. The O3Waterworks laundry machine has 3 modes: normal, boost, and no O3. Use normal mode for your regular wash. Activate boost mode for increased ozone production by pressing the white shirt icon button. This mode is perfect for whites or heavily soiled loads that need an extra boost of cleaning. If for some reason you can't reach the buttons, you can use this handy remote. Now enjoy never having to buy laundry detergent again with your easy-to-use O3Waterworks laundry machine.